Hey there, pioneers! In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the mod manager for Subnautica 2. If you're planning to install mods in Subnautica 2 and want an easier way to install or uninstall them, then using a mod manager is definitely the best option. First, you'll need to install the mod loader for this to work. We already have a video on the channel covering how to install the mod loader, so make sure to check that out first. Now head over to the Nexus Mods page for Subnautica 2 and look for this mod called UE4SS Mod Manager. I've pinned the link in the comments section below, so make sure to check it out. Next, go to the Files tab, then select Manual Download. The fast download option is for premium users, so we'll select slow download instead. Wait for the countdown, save the file somewhere easy to access, then wait for the download to finish. Now open Steam, right-click Subnautica 2, hover over Manage, then select Browse Local Files. This folder should appear. Open the Subnautica 2 folder, then go to Binaries, Win64, and finally the Unreal Engine 4 folder. Now drag the executable file into this folder. Once you run the executable file, you'll see a proper user interface for installing mods, which makes managing your mods much easier. Don't worry if Windows Defender or your antivirus flags this, it's just because the file is not digitally signed, which makes the flag a false positive. All you need to do is drag and drop the modzip file into the mod manager window, enable the mod here, then launch the game. And that's how to install the mod manager for Subnautica 2. Please do drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.